For the rest of this project, we're going to be using this skill saw, and we may or may not need some extra skill blades.
Instruction manual just in case. Packaged just right. Nice new. Smell that new jigsaw smell.
This blade says soft wood. This is not really soft wood, I don't think. I'm really glad that we bought these.
This is neat. This is the ugly thin metal skill.
We're gonna do the wood clean blade for this.
Make sure you put it in the right way. Pull up on that. This has new stuff and new technology on it. It has a little cloud or a little on there. So you can adjust, I believe, the air from the motor out onto your surface. So let's try that. It does come with an Allen wrench for something, but I'm sure they explain that in the instruction manual. The Allen wrench, you can turn this, yeah, right there. There's an Allen screw. So it does pivot for an angle cut. It can. We don't need that today. Special features. You got plastic, metal, wood, and more wood.
He's gonna try the hardwood fast blade for the next cut because this one, he said, gave him what?
A little bit of a struggle some way. It might have been user error, so there's that.
Or it might have been the wrong blade. I wish it had a dust collector bag. This is the hardwood fast blade.
This blade did exactly what it said it was gonna do. Cut the wood fast. The teeth are bigger on it. So we're learning. That's why it did that. I was going against the grain also. That's part of that. I don't think it'd do it quite as bad if you went with the grain. Let's find out.
That's what he's talking about. That lovely little chunk it took out of the counter.
Yes. Easy enough to change blades out and all that good stuff.
He doesn't like that blade for this side.
See what happens with this blade in here. This is ridiculous, okay? I shouldn't have to change a blade halfway out through the thing. Let's find out if I have to. Still got teeth on that. Out of time. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
It bounced everything into a really cool pattern. Looks like islands in the sawdust.
OER's islands in. Okay, so what we did here, just to find out, this is the blade that the saw actually come with. Let's see what happens if we use it.
He's going back to the wood clean blade.
A new one.
This is butcher block, so it is hardwood. I think it's pine. And obviously it's like glued together, so.
Learn with us.
Yeah, we're gonna try the metal blade because, you know, it's a butcher block and we're going with the grain and it's the hardest possible thing to get through at this point. If you're thinking about cutting your countertop hole with a jigsaw, maybe don't do that.